Okay, folks, we're here at yet another pizza review. It is hot in South Florida. We're in Dania Beach. The temperature right now is 91 degrees Fahrenheit, but I didn't let that stop me. I made sure I would get out here and get the pizza reviews you're looking for. Today we're at a place called Antonio's. They are located, let's see, they have actually multiple locations, but we are at their location, which is in Dania Beach. It is 3088 Griffin Road, Dania Beach, Florida. They've been here for about 2.5 years. They're working on, they actually have one other location and one more opening up. They must be doing something right. I actually hope they are. Before I get started, I need you to like and subscribe to my channel. That's really, really important. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. It'll remind you each and every time there's a new video coming out. It's really important that you like and subscribe. I'm working hard for you. I think I deserve those likes and those subscribes, bringing you the pizza that you want to find out about. Okay, so we're here at Antonio's. Let's take a look at their slice. I asked for it well done. Here's the bottom. There are a couple pale spots there that you can see along this part here. Okay, the crust, or crosta as we say in Italian, is aerated nicely. The sauce looks pretty decent. You can see it here in the overhead shot. The cheese to sauce ratio looks good. It smells good. Let's give it a shot. Not bad. You see, when I folded it, it broke, and that's always a good sign. One more bite here. Okay. Not bad at all. Putting aside a couple of raw spots, it took a long time for it to come out. It's okay, they were busy. I like it. It tastes like it's a high quality cheese. I didn't get a chance to speak to anybody, but I would imagine it's probably a grande or one step below that. The dough is good. I'm not sure that this is the type of place that would do a 72-hour fermentation process. It could be. I'm not really tasting that. The sauce to cheese ratio is very good. The sauce is flavorful. I can taste the oregano in there. I like it. I'm going to say that Antonio's of Dania Beach, I'm going to give them a well-earned score of a 7.2. That's right, a 7.2. That's a real pizza review by a real Italian. Antonio's, 7.2. That's my score.